Now we create code like by name and create by depths and create code like by width. This is properties, mechanical properties of our section, beams and columns. In this filter, all of data in output in is from beam data and all of data from out contains column data, and we run it again. This script and must be shown to all data correctly separated. We search duplicate. We creating and copy and paste again 4 columns. Now we need to select framing types. This is for beam data, beam section and beam family type. We create in and for columns we search a structural column, select data, select type. Now we connect name to element type duplicate. We work same for column section. As you can see in columns and structural framing, in concrete rectangular columns and concrete rectangular beams, and run it. As you can see, all of the beam section and family type created, but there is one warning. In this column section, yes, we change this node and run it again. Yes, Revit regenerating. 1,000 of concrete rectangular columns. As you can see, all of this created. regenerating again. All of this section created, but the properties of this section are not assigned. Or don't assign it. We need to some nodes to set the properties of this section based on Etabs data that's imported in Dynamo. Now,